and good day everyone.
Today, we will be presenting our accounting for business assignment.
Our presentation is based on a self-service laundry business called Mr. Bubbles.
The accounting period covered in this presentation is the end of 30th November 2025.
Each of us will present different sections for the accounting report.
We will now begin with the business introduction and business transaction. Over to Diba.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Aliba and I will begin our presentation by explaining the business introduction and the business transactions of our company, Mr. Bubble. Mr. Bubble is a self-service Dobby laundry business that operates using a token system. The business provides washing and drying service to customers at an affordable price and mainly serves students, working adults and nearby residents. Mr. Bubble begins operation on the 1st November 2025 and this report covered the accounting period end on 30 November 2025. The business is fully owned and managed by one who is the owner, who is responsible for daily operations and financial management. Next, I will briefly explain the business transaction that occurred during the November 2025. During the month, the owner introduced capital amounting to 50,000 ringgit consisting of cash and bank deposits. The business also obtained a bank loan of 30,000 ringgit. Mr. Bubbles purchased laundry supplies, washing machines, drying machines and a token exchange machine to support its operation. The business also earned revenue from the laundry service provided to customers both in cash and credit. In addition, several operating expenses such as rent, utilities, cleaning and even maintenance and advertising expenses were paid during the month. These transactions were recorded to show the financial activities of the business. Next, Aina will explain how these transactions were recorded through journals, ledger and trial balance.
Thank you, Diba. My name is Aina and I will explain the journal entries, ledger account and trial balance. First, all business transactions were recorded in the general journal using the double entire accounting system. Each transaction involved the debit and credit to ensure accuracy. After generalizing, the transaction were posted to the ledger accounts such as cash, bank, capital, expenses and revenue accounts. The ledger helped to show the balance of each account clearly. Once all ledger balance were determined, an adjusted trial balance was prepared. The purpose of the trial balance is to ensure that the total debit balance are equal to total credit balance. For Mr. Bubble, trial balance showed a total debit and total credit of Rm 85,500, indicating that the records were mathematically accurate before adjustment. However, some accounts still needed adjustment and at the end of the accounting period. Therefore, the adjustment process was carried out next. Now I will pass the presentation to Leah, who will explain the adjustment and adjustment trial balance.
Thank you, Ainul. My name is Leah and I will explain the adjustment and adjustment trial balance. Adjustments are prepared at the end of the accounting period to ensure the accounts follow the accrual basis of accounting. The first adjustment is depreciation of non-current asset. Mr. Bubbles charged depreciation at a rate of 1% per month on washing machine, drying machine and the token exchange machine. The total depreciation expense for November 2025 is 380 ringgit. The second adjustment is accrued expenses rent expense of 500 ringgit and utilities expense of Rm 300 were accrued but not yet paid at the end of the month. The third adjustment involved closing supplies. Out of total supplies of 3,200 ringgit, the closing balance was estimated at 332 ringgit, while supplies used amounted to 2,880 ringgit. After recording all adjustment and adjust trial balance was prepared, the total debit and total credit balance were both 86,680 ringgit, which shows that all adjustments were recorded correctly. This adjusted trial balance was then used to prepare the financial statements. Next, Akram and Atlas will explain the financial statement.
Thank you, Leah. My name is Akram and I will explain the statement of profit or loss. The statement of profit or loss show the financial performance of Mr. Bubbles for the month ended 30 November 2025. The total service revenue earned during the month was 5,500 ringgit. However, the total operating expenses amounted to 9,160 ringgit, which include rent, utilities, supplies expense, cleaning and maintenance, advertising and depreciation. As a result, Mr. Bubbles incurred a net loss of 3,660 ringgit for its first month of operation.
Thank you, Akram. My name is Ikhlas and I will explain the statement of financial position. As of 30 November 2025, the total asset of Mr. Bubble amounted 75,640. This includes non-current assets such as washing machine, drying machine and token exchange machine, as well as current assets like cash, bank and closing supplies. The business had liabilities including a bank loan of RM20,000 and a current expense amounting to 800 ringgit. After deducting liabilities, the owner accounting amounted to RM44,840, which reflect the net loss and drawing during the month. In conclusion, this presentation demonstrates the complete accounting process of Mr. Bubble for the month ended 30 November 2025.
All business transactions were properly recorded, adjusted and summarized to produce accurate financial statements.
The adjustment ensured compliance with accounting principles and provided a clear view of the business performance and financial position.
Overall, the assignment helped us understand the importance of proper accounting records in business decision making.
That's all from us.
Thank you for